Many of you have been asking for Gua Sha if 2 to 3 swipes per section is enough. And my answer to this question is yes. 2 to 3 swipes per section is plenty because this makes it easier for you to be consistent and get results without repetitive motion fatigue. As you do our Gua Sha routines more often, you will become more aware of what your skin needs and wants so that you can do less or more swipes as needed. Remember, small habits make a big difference over time, and keep it simple. Hi everyone, this is Sinyoung from Lémore Beauty. Make sure your skin and Gua Sha tool is clean. Let's begin. We're going to use this edge for the back of your head. Like so. We're going to bring it all the way down at the base of your neck. Bring it all the way up. And right about here, we're going to apply acupressure. And we're going to come all the way up to the base of your head. Apply acupressure like so. Release. And we're going to do it with the other hand for more symmetry. All the way at the base of your neck. Sweep up and about here. Apply acupressure. And come up to the base of your head. Apply acupressure and release. Now we're going to use this edge for the back of your neck. Parallel to 45, sweep down like so. One more. And switch. Same thing on the other side. Light to medium pressure like so. 1, 2, and release. Now we're going to use this edge for a nice neck and facelift. Parallel to 45 like this, all the way up through the center like so. Light, gentle pressure, especially on your neck, and wiggling on the edge of your hairline. Release. One more. Same thing. Gentle on your neck. All the way up, like so. And at the edge of your hairline, wiggle like so. And release. Now we're going to use this edge to lift up the sides of your neck. Light, gentle on your neck here, smoothing out the lines and wrinkles, the sagging here, and wiggling on the edge. One more. Light, gentle pressure, sweeping up, wiggle, and release. Switch, same thing. Parallel to 45, and sweep all the way up. Like so, wiggling on the edge. And one more. And release. Now we're going to use the 2 prongs for our jawline. From the center, great for releasing tension on your chin here, as well as for your masseters, like this. And apply acupressure, like so. Amazing if you have a lot of tension here. And one more. Great for double chin, as well as for marionette lines too. And breathe here. Release. Switch, same thing. Light to medium pressure. All the way, like so, to the edge. Applying acupressure. You can apply a little bit more pressure here if you need more relief. But if it feels too painful, lower the pressure. One more. Make sure to breathe here evenly. And release. Now we're going to use this edge for your mouth lines and wrinkles and for your cheeks. Like this. And wiggle like so here, just releasing all the bunching and the wrinkling in this area. And sweep all the way up, like so, and wiggle on the edge here. One more. Great for the lines and the wrinkles here, as well as the marionette lip corners and the smile lines. And lifting up your cheeks and your eye corner. And release. Switch, same thing. And sweep all the way up, like so. We carry a lot of tension along the edges of our face as well. So this helps release that. One more. Sweep all the way up and wiggle here and release. Now we're going to use the two prongs to target our lip corners, smile lines, and cheekbones. Like this, applying acupressure like so. I have my finger on here because this helps release the smile lines here. And we're going to move like in circular motions upwards and sweep up. And right about here, we're going to apply acupressure. This feels amazing here. And we're going to sweep all the way up to our temples. And one more up to our temples like this. And second. Sweep up, defining our cheekbones here, and apply acupressure right about here. Up to our temples. And a little higher up. And release. Switch, same thing. Right about here, we'll apply acupressure. And up to your temples. Bring awareness back to your posture. Strengthen your core. Lengthen your spine. Coming up more here for your temples. One more. Like this. Applying acupressure right about here. There's a lot going on right here. And up to your temples. And higher up. Release. Now we're going to use this edge for your eye area, so please be gentle. Gently sweep out and up like so. Great for swelling and puffiness in this area here. One more. like this, draining, and breathe here. Release. Switch, same thing. Gentle, light pressure as you sweep up and out to your temples here. Great for hooded eyes. One more. This. And also great for eye lines and wrinkles. Release. Now we're going to use the 2 prongs for our eyes and forehead, like this. Applying acupressure here. A lot of people get Botox for the frown lines here, and this really helps release that. And we're going to sweep all the way up like so, going back and forth like this, releasing all the bunching here, and great for tension headache. And sweep up like so, and wiggling on the edge of your hairline like so. Release. One more, like this. Light to medium pressure. And come up like so. And go back and forth like this. You can reduce the pressure here if it's too much. Come back to the center. We're going to lift it up. And at the edge, we're going to wiggle here like this. And release. Now we're going to use the same 2 prongs for a nice eye and brow lift. Like this. Lifting up like this on your eyes here. And sweep up like so. And wiggle. One more. Lift it up like so. Release. You can see this side is already more lifted. Switch, same thing, like this, gently lifting up and applying acupressure right here, these 2 points, and sweep up to the edge of your hairline. One more, like so. And lifting it up to the edge of your hairline and wiggle. This helps you look more awake and less tired. Release. Now we're going to use this edge to drain it all down for amazing radiance and definition. Like this, light to medium pressure. Sweep all the way down to the center of your chest and sweep it out like so and down on your shoulders. One more. Like this. And release. Switch, same thing. Light to medium pressure, sweep down to your chest and out and drain down on your shoulders here. Great for releasing shoulder tightness. One more. Sweeping down to your chest. Great for chest lines and wrinkles. And down on your shoulders. And breathe here. Release. I hope you look and feel amazing. If you enjoyed this video, check out our full face massage and exercise playlist. Let me know about your experience in the comments below. Thank you so much for showing up today and hope to see you again soon.